I'm trying to figure out how I want to run it though. Once I get it in, like how do I want to run it? Because I want it to be, I wanted this to be stealth in terms of like, I want it to just come out. Because when I put it back on, it's gonna be like that. So I want it to where it can come down like that. That way I can hook it up and I can tuck it, it's hidden, stuff like that. So that's kind of how I want to do it. It should be in my room, in the office, on the floor. Pop my closet. All right. Let's start it right now, dude. Right now.